Hello, I am Kamal Sahu and today I am going to teach you sentence and what is the definition of sentence and what are the types of sentences. So first, let me tell you what is the definition of sentence. A sentence, a sentence is a group of words, a sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. So what is the definition of sentence? A sentence. What is a sentence? It is a group of words. A group of words that make a word complete sense. So we may call it a sentence. A group of words that make a complete sense. So let's take some examples. So let me tell you one example. See mango eats. So see mango eats. It's a group of words. But does it make a sense? No, it doesn't make a sense. That's why we can't call it a sentence. It is not a sentence. Okay. So what will be a sentence? That the sentence that will make a complete sense. Not only group of words that also make a complete sense. So we will call that sentence. Okay. So Ram eats mango. So here you see, so it is a group of words. And this sentence make a complete sense. Okay, this sentence makes a complete sense. That's why it's a sentence. It will be called a sentence. I think you are clear now what is the definition of sentence. Now come to the types of sentences. What are the types of sentences? Types. Types. So what are the types of sentences? The first type will be adjective sentence. Adjective or declarative sentence. So what is this? Adjective sentence or declarative sentence? The sentence when we declare something. Okay. So those type of sentences will be called declarative sentence. So this type of sentences will be started from. It will be started from a capital letter. Capital letter. There will be a capital letter and it will be ended with a full stop. So adjective sentence or declarative sentences. So this type of sentences will be started from capital letter and ended will your full stop. So let's take some examples of this type. Adjective sentence. So what is adjective sentence? Let me tell you. First is my. So here we have started what? With a capital letter. My mother will. My mother will what? My mother will cook. So here you can see we have started with a capital letter and ended with a full stop. So this sentence will be called your adjective sentence, declarative sentence, or it may be called statement. Okay. So then another example, my friend is coming. My friend is coming. You. My friend is coming also a adjective sentence, declarative sentence, or also a statement. You are. Next sentence. You are not late. Then you are not late. I will tell you why you have added here not. So you are not late. Okay. So you are not late. Here I have added not here. I have used not here. Why I have yeah, this type of sentence also it will be called your negative sentence. Also we can add this. The another type will be interrogative sentence. The second type interrogative sentence. So what is interrogative sentence? Let's see. It will be started also. It will be started with a capital letter and it will be ended with a question mark. So what is interrogative sentence? When we ask a question to someone, so those sentences will be called your interrogative sentence. Like so, it will be started with a capital letter, and ended with it will be ended with a question mark. Question mark. Started capital letter, ended with a question mark. So let's see some examples of this type. What are the types of examples? What are the examples of this sentence type? First one. What are you doing? So here you can see that I have started with a capital letter and ended with a question mark. Then another example, which is your book. So it is also example of it is also an example of what interrogative sentence. The next one, when are they coming? So these are the examples of what interrogative sentences. The next type is imperative sentence. So what is imperative sentence? When you are giving order to someone, when you are giving command to someone, when we are giving advice to someone, when we are requesting to someone. So these type of sentences will be called imperative sentence. So क्या क्या होता है? First one, order, command, advice, then request. So when we are doing this, so these type of sentences will be imperative sentence. So let's take some examples of this. What will be the examples of the imperative sentence? So when I am saying Mira, you take your medicines. You take your medicines regularly. So what did I tell here? I tell here to Mira. I told you to Mira that you take your medicines regularly. So I have given an advice to what? Mira. So this sentence is your imperative sentence. Let's take another example. Another example will be Ram, Ram, can you, Ram, can you please, can you please give me your pen? Okay, so here what did I tell to Ram? Here what did I tell to Ram? I told here I have requested to Ram here. What? I have requested to Ram here that can you please give me a pen? Okay, so this will be also called your imperative sentence. Okay, the another example, this was request. Okay, then command. I am commanding someone. Students, go and clean the classroom. What did I tell here? Here I have commanded to whom? To students. Here I have commanded to students that go and clean the room. Here I am commanding here. What? I am commanding to whom? I am commanding to students that go and clean the room. So this is your imperative sentence. The next type is your exclamatory sentence. What is that? Exclamatory sentence. 4 types. The fourth one is exclamatory sentence. When a sentence come from our sudden feeling, it will be called your exclamatory sentence. Like, wow, what a beautiful weather! Wow, what a beautiful girl! Okay, so these type of sentences will be called your exclamatory sentences. Okay, let's take some examples. Then you will be clear. Okay, wow, wow. What a weather! What a weather! Okay, so this is the symbol of. You can see here on the whiteboard. This is a symbol of exclamatory sentence. What a brilliant student! What a brilliant student. Okay, what a brilliant student. Okay, this is the symbol of what? Your exclamatory sentence. What a weather! Also, I have done what a weather. What a beautiful girl. What a beautiful girl. Sorry. So these are the symbols of what? Your exclamatory sentences. I think now you are clear these 4 types of sentences. First is your. I think you are clear the 4 types of sentences. What are they? Let me repeat it. First is adjective sentence. It will be started with a capital letter and ended with a full stop. Then interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. It will be started with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Then your imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. When we are ordering, giving command, requesting someone. So this type of sentences will be imperative sentence. Next one, last one is your exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, these are the 4 main types of sentences. I think you are clear now what are the types of sentences. Okay, thank you.